To reset as Finder setting and delete your search history on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the add screen, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the right side of the search bar, and then tap setting. Next, tap reset setting and delete search history. A pop-up appears to ask you whether you like to reset Finder setting and delete your search history. If you like to continue, tap reset. By doing this, the setting of the S Finder will be reset back to the default and your search history will be deleted. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.